All right, before we check in with Jess, let's check in with you. And it's that time of year when cabin fever really starts to kick in. After last week's storm and tonight's storm, some feeling it like Pam's cat Rhodey in Searsport. Nothing to do but stay inside and find some sort of entertainment, right? So thanks to Pam for sharing this one with us. And if you catch your pet doing something fun or cute, take a photo or video and send it to us using the Near Me section of our News Center Maine app.
Did you say cat bin fever?
Ha 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 ha. Wow,
All right.
that was bad.
I'm getting tired. You know, it's happening. Zach, it's snowing out there across most of the state, but we'll have some rain and some sleet and some freezing rain too as we go through the next couple of hours and into tomorrow morning. We'll zoom in on our state right now. Again, most of us at this point are seeing snow. You'll notice closer to the coast, not so much. Matter of fact, there's an area here in the purple and pink. That area is both sleet and freezing rain, depending on exactly where you are. But the potential is there for sleet and freezing rain, again, closest to the coast as we go throughout the next several hours. So really, no matter how you look at it, Friday morning's commute is going to be a messy one because we have the snow, the ice, and some rain in there too. And this rain snow line will keep moving ever so slowly closer to the coast as we go through the next couple of hours. So let's take a look at the temperatures real quick. Still 34 in Portland, but of course we're inching closer to that 32-degree mark. 32 now in Lewiston. Augusta's at 31. Wiscasset at 34. Bangor down to 27. Of course, all snow there now. You'll notice the very cold temperatures in northern Maine, but close to the coast, 33 or 34 degrees. That'll likely cool off really as we just go through the next couple of hours, so that we will see some icy precipitation heading into morning before we eventually change over, it looks like, to all snow as we head into kind of the late morning or early afternoon hours. But let's go through the timeline a little bit more, then we'll talk more about the impact. So through the next few hours, again, that rain snow line, the ice shifts to the south and east, again, closer to the coast. Then as we go into early tomorrow morning, guess what? Those temperatures at the coast now dropping down into the 20s. Now remember, the temperature at the surface tells just part of the story, but like we just recently talked about, if it's farther up, if the warm air is farther up in the atmosphere, even though the temperatures at the coast are down in the mid to upper 20s, that will change to either sleet or freezing rain, depending on just how kind of thick that warm air layer is. So got to be careful out there tomorrow morning. Remember too, that freezing rain, when it actually falls out of the sky, just looks like plain old regular rain. But if you notice, maybe your car thermometer is saying 26 degrees, but how is it raining? That's the stuff that falls, freezes on contact, and just kind of glazes over everything. That's the stuff everyone hates. The sleet, those are those little tiny balls of ice, so just be careful with those again too tomorrow. The travel, it's going to be tough. As we go through the morning hours and into the early afternoon, this is now about lunchtime. You'll notice that snow trying to shift a little bit closer to the coast. You'll notice in our snowfall totals in just a minute that they are going to be lower, especially in coastal York County and into coastal Cumberland County as well, just because it's tough for things to transition to all snow with this kind of profile that we have going on here. By tomorrow afternoon, really tomorrow evening, things will start to wrap up though. It's going to set us up for a nice sunny weekend, but it's going to be cold this weekend too. High temperatures both Saturday and Sunday, really only making it into about the teens and 20s. So remember, sleet pings, that's those little tiny balls of ice. Freezing rain clings. Again, looks like regular rain when it's falling from the sky, but that's the stuff that just glazes everything with ice and makes it very, very difficult to walk on the sidewalks and of course to travel as well. So closest to the coast, the entire coastline and down into a little bit into interior York County, 2 to 4. Lower amounts, of course, because of that sleet and freezing rain. As you move inland, 4 to 8 quickly, and then quickly up to 8 to 12. Bangor, Augusta, Waterville, Lewiston, Auburn, up to Rangeley, over to Freiburg, into Berlin, New Hampshire, and back up to Calais, all in that 8 to 12 inch range. Marine forecast for tomorrow has seas at around 5 to 7 feet, winds from the northeast 20 to 25 knots. Gusting to around 30. So again, that ice continues through tomorrow and the snow as well away from the coast. We will see cold temperatures this weekend though, teens and 20s, and that's going to do it for our high temperatures both Saturday and Sunday. Plenty of sunshine though. That's my positive spin on things. Monday we'll return to normal temperatures. We'll see maybe a shower or two by Monday afternoon. Then the temperature is actually a little bit above normal next Tuesday through Thursday. So no matter how you put it, tomorrow morning or this morning, now it's Friday, the commute is just going to be a mess. You're going to need to leave extra time, scrape off the car and just drive safely out there.
Yep, important reminders for sure.
Yes.
Thanks, Jess.
Thanks.